another One Monroe Minute. Today we're going to be talking about the essential components that are in just about any industry, knobs. Although simple, knobs play an important role in offering both functionality and design appeal. Industrial knobs are used for tightening, fastening, and pulling on an object. There are many different types of knobs, including grip, instrument, wing, locking, soft touch, and many more. Knobs can be made of various materials, including metal, plastic, wood, glass, and much more. Each style of knob can also range in color, design, and size. The material that each knob is made from is carefully considered depending on its function and intended use. Knobs are used in just about any industry you can think of. Their most common uses are on doors, cabinets, and drawers. They're also used on ovens, toasters, thermostats, washing machines, and other household appliances and everyday objects. Knobs are used in the automotive industry for various controls, including air conditioning, audio systems, navigation, and manual adjustments. They're used on control panels and machine components in the industrial industry. Knobs are also used in various medical devices, such as diagnostic machines, surgical tools, microscopes, and hospital beds. They're also found on radios, transmitters, electric guitars, and mixing consoles. To learn more about the types of knobs available here at One Monroe, be sure to get in touch with one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another One Monroe Minute.